Hello guys, this is Devitron here. I know that I changed my name, I just kind of remembered that I changed my name. I was gonna say Enderdo Dev, but then I basically just remembered that I changed my name. I don't know why I changed my name. I feel as if I needed like a name change, and I basically, well, I think I picked an original name, Mr. Devitron. I'm calling myself Devitron, not Mr. Devitron, because yeah, but yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Devitron, and welcome back to another tutorial on Unreal Engine 4, or Unreal Engine as I call it, whatever. So in this tutorial, as you can see the title probably, we are going to try our best, or I'm going to try my best to show you how to animate a door. Like if you wanted to like mouse click, and if you wanted to click with your mouse and the door open or something, this is going to be a little bit complicated to explain, but like, okay, if you wanted a door to open when you mouse click, or when you want to press E or whatever the hell you want, or if you just want to walk into the door and then the door open, we're going to try and do that. Yeah, we're going to try and do that. I haven't done a tutorial in quite a while. I mean, it may look like that I have, but like my recordings are like always like far apart each other, but my uploading is like so close to each other. It's very confusing, but but yeah. Right, we're gonna try and do a animating door tutorial, so let's just go to, I think, props. Is it props? Yeah, SM door. So let's just go for this door right here. Yep, as you can see, this door right here. Yeah. And let's also have a door frame, just so we know that we don't know. Right, let's just put that right there. We're gonna have to. Are you serious? Wait, hold on a minute. I'm just gonna leave it as that. Actually, I could put that as 0.90. Yeah, that does it. Yeah, that does it. Yeah. Okay, so Jesus Christ, messing around the door already. Jeez. Alright, so we have the SM door. SM door. Yep. Let's just rename this to door 001. Don't know why 001, but whatever. And now let's rename the door frame to door frame 001. Just that easy. Anyways, yeah, so how we are going to actually make the door open, click on the actual door here, in the world outline, or if you're using like Unity or something like that, then it would probably be the hierarchy or whatever you call it. But yeah, click on the door 001 in your world outliner thing. And now what you want to do is go to matinee, and then add matinee. Now, if I can remember how to do this, I think, right, okay, where's this tracks right here, right click in the grey part, and then, add new empty group, I think. I'll call this door, I think it's door rot, like rot as in rotation, like short for rotation, rot. And then right click on door rot, and then add new movement track. There we go, add new movement track. Right. If I can remember how to do this, let's, oh my god, no. Actually, let's just click on Snap. Basically, what Snap does is, you see where these are 0.50, 1, 152, 250, 350, yeah. Basically, this will snap it. So so if we uncheck that, yeah, we can just like singly move this. But if we do check that, watch. See, it will snap to seconds. It will basically just snap to it. But yeah, let's go to about 3 seconds. Move this, yeah, to 3 seconds. And now what we want is a basically put this black thing right here. Very, very hard to explain anyway. But yeah, drag this black thing over to the start over here to where it says 0, and yeah. And then all you have to do now is either press enter. What? Okay. Okay, I think I figured out what I was doing wrong. So basically, I had to. Let me just delete that first. What I had to do is like just click on this, drag it out, and then what you had to do is actually click on the door 001 thing here, and then go into here, right click, and new empty group, and stuff like that, and then it would say like down here, changed door 001 movement or mobility to from static to movable or something. Because it was static, but now it's movable. So then, new group, door, 001, wrote. There we go. And now, you can just put that back into place. And then, add new movement track. There we go. And now, let's just try adding a keyframe. There we go. Okay, so now we have a keyframe right there. And let's go all the way to the end where it says 3 there, and then add another keyframe. But now what you need to do is, on this keyframe, you have to actually rotate the door. So let's just rotate it. Let's rotate it like 90 degrees. There we go, using the rotation tool obviously. So then, let's just try this. So we have our mass in the actor here, and then let's just play. As you can see, we've just done our animation. Let's just loop. I know it's a little bit long, but yeah. So basically we've done our matinee actor thing, so then let's just come out of it. And let's call this matinee actor door rotation anim, or door 001 rot anim. There we go. So we have our animation thing, and let's drag this up here so that we know where the animation is. So let's just put this on top of this door. There we go. So that we know that the animation is on top of this door, so that we know that this animation is basically for this door. That rhymes. But now what we are going to do is, right, let's go, another thing that we're going to need is a box trigger. So on the modes here, and on the basic, click on basic and scroll down until you see box trigger. So then just drag that out into here. And then, well, you can copy what I'm doing, but you could do it your own way if you want to. I don't know why you would, but yeah. You can just copy me and what I'm doing. There we go. And then just call this trigger box, this box trigger, door 001, rot anim trigger. I know it's a lot of words to put in, but you'll understand probably soon, probably not, I don't know. But yeah, and now what we're gonna do is go to settings, go to project settings, and then go to input, then go to action mappings, then add a action mapping, and then call this one interact. And then let's use the E key, for example. So where the heck is the... there it is. Okay, so we've got the E key now. Now what we're going to do is go into the blueprints. Yeah, blueprints, and then go into level blueprint. This is basic. The level blueprint is what happens in the actual levels. Blueprint requires updating. Please okay, save. Thank you. Yeah, so now what you're gonna do is right. So we have the box trigger underlined, that thing. And now just right click into the space here, and then go on to add event, click on add event, collision, add on add to begin overlap. Basically, for this to actually say on act to begin overlapped or whatever, you actually have to click on the object itself in the world outliner so that you can create like a reference to it. If that doesn't make any sense to you, then sorry. And now let's create a variable. So new variable, call it is overlapping door 001. Now drag that out and then set, basically drag that into there. I don't think I need to do any more explaining on how to do these stuff, because you may know Unreal Engine like quite a bit now or something, I don't know. But now what you want to do is right click and then interact. Basically what we're going to do is if our player is basically overlapping the trigger, then it will set the overlapping thing to true. But when we press E, if our player is overlapping the trigger, it will open up the door. So to do this, pressed, let's do a branch. So if you don't know what a branch is basically like an if statement. So let's drag this out. So so if the player presses E, and if the player is overlapping the door, then it will then flip-flop, which is basically if you press E once, it will do something, but if you press E again, it will do something else. Basically the exact same with the flashlight. So A, it will actually, hold a minute. Now what you want to do is go back to the third person, basically go back to the editor and then click on the matinee actor right here. So the door 001 rot anim. So click on that. Go back to your blueprint here, and then create a reference to door. Yeah, create a reference to that. And now play. Okay, there we go. Then you just want to play the matinee sequence. Just play it. But if you want to make sure that it closes after it's played, then all you have to do is just then do this. Type in reverse. There we go. And that is basically it. So then let's just line up these, and there we go. So let's just compile this, and there we go. So let's play. So as you can see, nothing's happening. But when I press E, it will open. When I press E again, it will close. E E E E E E E E E E E E. And now I can go through it. If I, well, the door frame seems to be very. Okay, let's just scale the frame to about 95. Let's just try that. So E is now open, and now we can go through, and now E to close it, and there we go. I just realised, wait, is that a window? Oh my god, it actually is as well. That's actually quite cool. Anyways, now, will this happen? Yeah, as you can see, the door has basically no collision at all. So if you want to add a collision to the door so that when you walk into it, you stop, then watch what I do. So, go into, click on door 001 here, then into the details part. Yeah, actually, go into this part, the transform part. Well, basically go down here where my mouse is, and then click on static mesh. And as you can see, it has no primitives. What primitives are is basically like collisions. That is what it means. But as you can see, it has collision like checked, but there is no collision. So to add collision, all you have to do is click on collision up here, and then add box simplified collision, and there we go. We now have a collision. So now just come out of it, and then go back into it, and watch and learn. Dun 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 dun. The box has now got a collision. Now, if we were in the middle of the door, for some reason we can't actually. Why can't we? What the? Is the frame still not big enough? Are you serious? No, fine. I'll put it back to 1. Jesus Christ. Right. There we go. And now let's just close it. Yeah, that can be a little bit glitchy. That you can like still go through it, but once it's ended, like it will glitch. I don't know why it does that, but yeah, that is basically it of this door animation thing tutorial. But yeah, hope you have all enjoyed, and I hope this has helped you create your door animation trick thing. So yeah, see you later, and peace out everyone.